In an ecosystem, every individual interacts with one another, which makes life dynamic and cyclic. Here are the different population interactions that are commonly found in our surroundings.
Herbivory is a key ecosystem process where animals called herbivores feed on plants for their nutrition. They may consume any parts of the plant, including the roots, leaves, stems, flowers, and the fruit. The interaction between the two allows adaptive reactions to occur. Herbivory plays an important role in keeping the flora healthy and diverse. Predation is a biological interaction where transfer of energy occurs from an animal to the other in a predator-prey relationship. The predator is an organism who hunts and eats another organism for food, which is their prey. It is a broad concept, but it involves several mechanisms, such as hunting or defense mechanisms, where the animals put themselves in an advantage.
Parasitism. This is the type of interaction between two organisms wherein one benefits by harming the other. Parasites could either be an ectoparasite, which feasts on the host's body surface, or an endoparasite that live in the spaces or cells within the host's body. Saprobism is the term coined for the condition of being saprobic. Saprobes live under the nourishment of non-living or decaying organic matters. Some of the most common saprobes are bacteria, fungi, and water molds. Competition occurs between two or more organisms who share a common resource in the same place, be it food, water, territory, or mate. Competition can be intraspecific, which occurs between similar organisms, or interspecific, which occurs between different organisms.
Commensalism is a type of relationship between two living organisms in which one organism benefits from the other without harming it. An example of this are birds that live in the hollows of trees. Generally, their presence does no harm to the tree, but the tree provides the bird with shelter and protection. Mutualism describes a type of mutually beneficial relationship in which two different species interact with and, in some cases, totally rely on one another for survival. Bees and flowers have a mutualistic relationship. Bees get the nectar they need to make honey by traveling between flowers. The bee brings pollen from one plant to another, resulting in pollination. Amensalism refers to the association between organisms of two different species in which one is inhibited or destroyed, and the other is unaffected. A prime example of amensalism is penicillin killing bacteria. The bread mold Penicillium secretes penicillin that ultimately kills bacteria.
And that is all for ecological relationships. Thank you for watching.